Tonight, from beautiful Melbourne, Florida, Plumbing with Tim presents Thirsty Thursday. Welcome everybody to Thirsty Thursday edition of Plumbing with Tim, the show where I answer questions from you, the viewer, as well as frequently asked questions I get from my customers. Nice and cold. Let's see what we got going on. Okay, so today's first question comes in from a Devin. Devin asks, I'm getting ready to do a kitchen remodel and my wife wants a gas stove. Problem is we don't have gas in our area. Any thoughts on how to make this happen? Excuse me. Yeah, you're going to have to look and try to find yourself some sort of a propane company. Usually, depending on your area, you may end up having to get some sort of a permit. If you're inside of a homeowners association, you may end up having to get permission from those guys as well. And have that company come out, if everything works out, and have them bury you a tank or set up a tank somewhere near the home. And at that time, you're going to need to get a licensed plumber or gas person, technician per se, to come out and to run those lines and to do a full test so there's no leaks. And make sure when you're out shopping to get yourself the new stove, you get one that's for propane, not for natural gas, because there is a big difference. Check out a video I put out recently on the difference between natural gas and LP, liquid propane. Good question and good luck with the remodel. All right, well, second question today comes in from a Nancy, and she wants to know, what kind of money do plumbers make? Nosy Nancy, I'm just kidding. Well, Nancy, I'll tell you what, it's all going to depend on where you live and what type of plumbing you're actually doing. You know, if you're a commercial plumber, residential plumber, you know, whatever. But, you know, people that live up in, you know, the Northeast United States might be making a whole lot more than guys that live in Texas or California or wherever. So it's going to vary. But, you know, the going rate that most plumbers usually get paid, if they're good, you know, it can range anywhere from $18 to $40 an hour. And that, like I said, all depends and comes down to A, where you live, B, if you have a chance to maybe get into a union, and C, what kind of company it is and what they're willing to pay you. Another good question. Thanks, Nancy. Okay, so this is our final question of the evening. It is a featured question, which comes in from a Travis, and here's his question. I just got into the plumbing industry. The company that I'm employed by works on a lot of older homes. How do I identify some of these old valves that they have no name on them, and where's the best place to find replacement parts? Sounds like exactly the place I work for. We specialize in these old homes and stuff, and I run across these kind of valves all the time. I'm going to tell you straight up what I always tell everybody. Check out a video that I've already put out, and you can actually see how I explain it a little bit more. You need to go online and find Central Components Company. Central Components Company. They're an online company that also you can request a catalog and they will send it to you that you can have on your van, and that way you can go through and you can look down through all of these old parts for old valves and fittings and stuff that you just can't tell what it is, but I'm telling you, they have them. Now, if you're not into looking it up on a catalog, they have the same thing online. They have an online catalog where you can go down through and you can identify exactly what one of those old parts are. Central Components Company. Mark it down, put it in your phone, have them send you a catalog. You will thank me. And that's that. Appreciate the question. That's all the time we got for today. Man, thanks for all the questions, guys. Keep them coming. And remember, hey, if you got a question you want to get answered right here on the show, make sure to drop them down in the comments below. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up, comment, and share with a friend. Until next time, hey, I'm out of here. Keep plumbing.